P20 Plus vacuum and mop combo. I've had it for about a month now, and I've been really happy with it so far. Let me show you how it first came in the mail, and also talk to you about the setup process, and show you what it looks like when it's working. It comes in beautiful packaging that shows the sleek design of the robot itself. It shows you that inside you have the robot as well as you have the base station. Another nice touch on the packaging is the fact that it comes with a iRobot factory sealed label. You don't have to worry about someone tampering with your device because it has the factory seal. Here's a look at what's inside the box. You have diagrams that show that the base station is on one side and the vacuum is on the other. Here I'm pulling out the base station. It's reasonably light and I was able to lift it with one hand. And now I'll take out the robot vacuum itself. Everything was super well packaged and you don't have to worry about things shifting and shipping. This is how it came out of the box. So this is the vacuum itself. It has a bumper that allows it to know when it's run into something hard so it doesn't break itself. It also has buttons to power on and return home for charging. This is the base. This is what allows it to charge and as well as what allows it to empty its dust container when it finishes cleaning up around your house. So it's not something you have to worry about all the time. Only every so often do you actually need to empty this out. This is the remote control that it comes with, but you can also use your app. There's nothing that you can do with the remote control that you can't do with the app, which I really like. Here's a closer look at the bin where the dust is collected after each cleansing. It keeps all the dirt very easily contained. Now here's a demonstration of the cleaning. It has different modes for quietness, and you can also set different strength levels for suction. If you wanted to go back to base, you simply press the home button and it returns to base all on its own. This has made mopping and vacuuming so much simpler for me. I don't even have to interact with it if I don't want to, and it saves me so much time and effort in my cleaning process. I absolutely recommend it.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.